Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Gordon Guitar. Okay, we have Rod Wave here, and this song is called Lost in Love, and that's from the latest album, Last Lap. Alright, so let's go into this beautiful song here, and it's based upon three different chords. We have the E minor, the D, and C. Alright, we don't need any capo for this, we have the chords only to go through, so let's start with that, and we have the E minor first. Alright. So we'll keep the bottom there for the B and E string and just switch bass notes depending on what chord we are. So we're gonna start with E minor. Okay, so it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, and then third B and third E. That's E minor. We have D next. So we're gonna play open D, second G, and then third B and third E. And then finally we have the C. Or C add 9 to be technical about it. That will be anyway third A, second D, open G, third B, and third E. And there you have the chord progression there. It goes like this from the beginning till the very end, and you notice that we have the third B and third E glue there throughout the song. Let's go into the melody first and then into the strumming, and that's it. So we're gonna start with melody now, and it goes like this for E minor. For one round. So that is to play second fret D string, then open G, then third E, and third B. A short pause, and then comes open G, third E, and third B. And that is one round. So like this. Okay, so I'm gonna play one round of this for E minor, then you switch to D, and you follow exact same pattern now, just different grip. So you're gonna play like this. The bass note now is on the open D string. And then you're gonna play the second G, and then third E, and then third B. And then you have a short pause, and then you play second G, third E, and third B. You play it for one round like that, and then you have the final chord, the C, and you're gonna play that for two rounds. Same pattern. Now you're gonna play like this. That was two rounds. So the bass note now is on the third fret A string. And then you have the same pattern here. Open G, third E, third B, short pause, and then open G, and then third E, and third B. You play that for two rounds. So the melody goes E minor 1, D1, and C2, like this. Again. So there you have the melody part, and now into the strumming, and now you have to hold the full chords as they are. So you're gonna start with E minor like this, and one round of the strumming will be like this. Okay, so that is to play down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. Couple rounds goes like this. Alright, so you got that now, and you're gonna play twice as many rounds for the strumming as in the melody round. So you're gonna play E minor 2, then D2, and then C4. All right, that will be one chord progression round, and it goes like this for a couple of rounds. And that is how I handle Rod Wave's Lost in Love. Melee or strumming, it's up to you. Hope you're not that lost in guitar, or maybe you are, and then make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have great songs coming out there. So thank you for support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.